Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today we have a voiceover because it's so hot. Guess what I'm saying here, by the way. But yeah, today's video I'm using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, which I haven't used at all actually, but I'm going to jump right in. Haven't done a voiceover in a while, okay, so forgive me if I feel a bit pressure right now. I have to be so quick. First color that I use in the palette is called Diseased. I'm applying the eyeshadow on my eyelids until I kind of look like a panda. Depending on how intense you want, you can go in with a fixing spray to, you know, intensify the pigment. After that, I'm going in with the color Blue Blood, which is a perfect, beautiful baby blue kind of color. And I'm applying that right above Disease, but I'm also blending the two colors together with a big fluffy brush. After that, I'm taking the color I'm Cold. And this is such a beautiful color as well. I thought this was not really going to be pigmented, but I was really wrong. It is super pigmented. After that, I also applied Minty actually, and this is my favorite shade of the palette. It's so unique, so beautiful. I was applying all of these colors on top of each other, and I thought maybe it will look a little bit patchy since these are all matte, but they were so pigmented that you could see every color that I've actually applied on my lids, which I really loved. Then I took this beautiful intense blue color. This is called Midnight Blue, and I was kind of in doubt whether I should do a winged smoke out wing, but then I thought, you know what, since I'm playing with the Blue Blood palette for the first time, I really wanted to do a little bit more, I don't know, like a half smoky eye. So I took the Blue Monday color and I applied it a little bit more on the outer part of the eye, but also a little bit more towards the inner part. So we still have that winged effect going on, but it's kind of like half smoky. With a very small, I think this is a firm blending brush from Sigma, I am blending the edges, but like only the edges, because if you're going to blend this whole eyeshadow, it's going to look a little bit messy and less intense. Then I took Cremator and Undertaker. I thought these colors were so unique and so beautiful. I applied it a little bit more towards the inner corner of the eye. If you have hooded eyes, this is going to look beautiful because it's going to kind of like create the idea that you have a crease and you have a little bit more definition. Just out of curiosity, I also took the color Flourishing, which is that beautiful green kind of color, and I applied it next to the darker color. And you couldn't really see this, but I was just, I don't know, like a little bit curious. I took the darker color, Blue Monday, and I applied it on my lower lash line as well. I also took the shade Blue Monday and applied it next to it to kind of get that ombre effect. Then I went in with Flourishing as well, which is the green color. And I applied that color underneath these two eyeshadow colors just to make it look, you know, a little bit more interesting. After that, I took my Givenchy eye pencil. This is in shade number 10. I applied it on my waterline. This is a beautiful kind of like teal kind of color. And I also took the lightest shade in the palette, which was super pigmented. So you only need the tiniest bit. And I applied it on my inner corners. I was curling my lashes with the Tweezerman lash curler. And these lashes, excuse me, I can't believe that I'm discovering it now, but these are House of Lashes in Siren or Siren. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Anyways, for lip liner, I'm using MAC Whirl, but I mix it with a little bit of Strip Down because Whirl is a little bit more on the cooler side and Strip Down is a little bit warmer. I am fading the lip liner a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. And once everything looks symmetrical, I went in with this gloss from Dose of Colors. This is called Moi, as in Mwah. And after that, I applied a little bit of this liquid lip from Natasha Denona just to add a little bit more color. And this was called Copper Gilt. And then I thought, let's make it a little bit more nude. So I went in with this Nabla lipstick. I think this was Soft Touch. I'm not sure. I will check it once more. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.